Greetings, esteemed scholars. My name is Professor King Costa from the Global Center for Academic Research. I'm bringing the broadcast to you from the beautiful studios of Saibono Discovery Center, one of the major science centers or largest science centers in the world and the second largest in Africa. Saibono Discovery Center is our partner and our collaborator in a number of scholarly initiatives. In studio, I'm joined by our research assistants, Obake Masilo and Letlokhonolo Folo, and we are here to talk to you about our latest innovation in qualitative data analysis, the Costaqda. I would like to ask our research assistants, and I'll start with Letlokhonolo, and say, can you unpack Costa for us in the Costaqda?
Okay, thank you so much, Prof. Costaqda stands for coding, it stands for organizing, it stands for searching of themes, it stands for testing of analysis.
Wonderful. Now, without wasting time, having heard what you're saying, you are presenting a methodology, a sequenced methodology, and you start with coding. So I would like you to tell us, what are you doing when you are involved in coding in terms of qualitative data analysis? What is this coding about?
Okay. For instance, when a scholar is coming to the stage of coding, it's when you extract important statements from document corpuses.
Extract important statements.
Yes.
Interesting. How do you do that?
You do that by reading line by line, by going word for word, but the process is very iterative.
Interesting. So I get that you are actually immersing yourself in your own data.
Yes.
Very interesting. Obake, so that process itself, what does it mean? What is it meaning?
So you go through this process where you go through these significant statements in order to find your inductive as well as your posteriori codes.
There you got it. Inductive and posteriori codes, almost the same thing, but this is an exercise after the iterative process of qualitative data analysis. Interesting. Without wasting time, Obake, I heard Letlokhonolo saying that after coding, the next stage is organizing. What do you do in organizing?
Organizing involves a close examination of these statements in order to determine their relationship. This process is called a relational analysis.
Okay.
The objective of the relational analysis is to discover or determine emerging themes.
Powerful. So you're looking at emerging themes. That's very, very interesting. Letlokhonolo, what is the next stage now after having organizing and then you go to searching? Can you tell us about the searching? How do you search? She's already said that you organize statements that look alike into patterns through relational analysis.
Yes.
And now you take it further by searching themes. Tell us about searching themes.
When you search for themes, this stage involves further examinations of pattern to reveal hidden meanings and nuances.
There you get it. So it doesn't end there, but it's an iterative process, even the examination process itself. So you are continually going over these to get meanings. Then what is the next stage and what happens there?
The next stage is the testing of the analysis, where you determine the reliability and consistency of the methods used by the coders.
Mm-hmm. Right? That's interesting. And what does that mean? Can you take it further, Letlokhonolo?
Yes. While most researchers ends with an ICR, this is called intercodal reliability stage. Well, the software that we are talking about, it takes it even more further using Cohen's-Kappa statistics.
Wow. And what does that mean?
So our software in our analysis uses the latest software, which is AI.
Okay.
It's called ChatGPT.
Wow, that's interesting. So you got it there. So first they say you are now introducing intercoder reliability, which means that your study must be exposed not to you alone as a researcher, but you must have somebody else who looks at your work, and that is why then you look at the consistency of methods that are used. That is your ICR. And then Obake also tells us that furthermore, you are actually using artificial intelligence and using softwares like ChatGPT. Is that what you said?
Yes, ChatGPT.
All right. Can you tell us more about this ChatGPT?
Okay. This technology enables algorithms and natural language programming technology that is able to structure responses based on text already provided as codes.
There you have it. So you've heard about the Costaqda QDA